utulivu.
Nikieha na maithori iria ciatinda kiharo-ini kia Girigiri tauni-ini ya Gilgil na Ikuru igongona-ini ria gucakaya na kuririkana arutwo aria mathireire nenembe-ini cia mwaki mutino-ini wa cukuru wa airitu wa utumishi. Kieha giki gikionekana thio-ini cia aciari, andu a nyumba gwata muingi wothe magicurania iguru ria mioyo ya andu aya ethi iria yekorire hatikaini kumana na mahitia maanini.
Their names, their stories, and the joy they brought into the world will never be forgotten. They will forever remain a part of who we are.
Their kindness, determination, talents, friendship, and unique personalities left a lasting mark on our school community. Though their time with us was far too short, the memories they created and the love they shared will remain in our hearts forever.
Utongoria wa cukuru uyu hamwe na miambiriria aguo magicakaya arutwo aya na njira ya mwanya makiuga mari na matanya ma arutwo aya gucangararithia njata yao matagutungana na mihinga.
These girls were more than students. They were beloved daughters, cherished sisters, loyal friends, and bright lights within our school community.
There are no words strong or deep enough to carry the weight of the grief we feel today. To stand before 16 caskets is a tragedy that defies the reality of life.
Kieha giki gikiehereria hindi ya miri no kuhundurwo ngari-ini thutha wa igongona. Riu ritana rigiikio kuri aciari kuigiririka na njira ya gutuma ndugu na ciana ciao niguo kumenya maria iragerera wamuira marakara mao macungiriirie mitino ya muthemba uyu.
Wazazi, ninawaomba tupate kuwa na wakati na watoto wetu. Let us not focus on looking for money and forget that we have a sole responsibility of bringing up laws that is lies that to be accountable.
Igongona riri ria kiririkano ritirihitwo riu o family gitanyo kumagara kuhaririria mathiko ma mwendwa wao. Ciuria nene ire maria mothe mario thiini wa igongona riri megie ugitiri wa ciana mathukuru-ini kana ni mekuhingio niguo kurigiriria mitino teno thiku ciukite. Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Inoro TV kuma Girigiri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni Robert Wamaina.